Good afternoon, everyone. My name is TJ Muehlman. I'm one of the co-founders of We&Co. Today we're going to do a brief demo of Talent Rank, our talent management solution for identifying and recruiting the best service to pro talent in your city. So to start off with this demonstration, pull up a browser, go to www.weand.co, and click Login. Now, if you're a customer, you should have received an email with your login credentials. But if you've forgotten them, no worries. Just click Forgot Password and we'll ship off a new password to you. Once you've got your credentials squared away, click Sign In. And you'll be taken to our dashboard. And this is the very beginning of Talent Rank. Now, from here, you can do several different things. And we're going to talk about the first right now. When you're a new customer, we'll go ahead and set up your basic dashboard right here. But you can add a description of your business, an email, and even customize your URL. And what all of this does is it creates a landing page for your business here on We&Co. Again, you can see the picture, basic information, where you were located, and all the different jobs that you're currently looking for. On the right-hand side, you'll see our feedback component, which we'll talk about in a different video, so we'll just kind of avoid that for the moment. But this is the dashboard, this is the landing page for individual businesses. So coming back to the dashboard, we'll go here. You'll see right here, remember all those businesses or all those postings we just saw a few minutes ago? Well, that's where they're all set up right here. Now, when you're a new customer, we go ahead and set up 2 or 3 default job postings for you right out the gate. Bartender, a host, a cook. We'll also set up a server and maybe a manager position as well. And we've used stock text that we've really kind of worked on over the last several months to get it just right, to maximize the number of people that we get into the queue as well as the right people into the queue. So you always reserve the right to edit a post. So if you don't like the text we use, you can simply click Edit Post, and you can see that 00 has done that. And you can also change the post title, which is just a brief description of the post. So to save your changes, obviously click Post Job, and you'll be done. So let's really look at the sort of heart of all of this, and let's view applicants. So I've gone ahead and set up 3 different applicants for a bartender position at 00. James, Sally, and Bruce. Now, the really great part of what we do is we've highlighted the most relevant information right here on top of the screen. You see where they last worked, how long they worked there for. You can contact them. You can view more information about them. You can like them and you can reject them. So the other cool part about this is that we've gone ahead and ranked these folks. So in this particular case, in these 3 candidates, James is the #1 candidate based on criteria that we use under the hood to evaluate how likely he is to be a good fit for your position. And in this case, Bruce, unfortunately, is the least likely candidate because he doesn't work in an industry that's even remotely similar to 00. He doesn't have a lot of experience, and the information he's provided doesn't suggest that he'll be a good fit for you. So let's go ahead and reject Bruce. And all we do is just click this reject button. And what happens is Bruce has just been sent an email saying, hey, Bruce, we're really sorry, but it's not going to work out this time. That leaves us with these 2 candidates. And so we can view information about them. So we'll go ahead and click that view button. And you'll see the resume is brought up over here on the right-hand side. And in this case, I'm using a stock resume we have. You can see a little bit of information about James. And notes. And so this is effective if you have multiple managers interviewing candidates, and the managers can post notes about them. I think James is going to be a good fit for this position. And I'll go ahead and add the note. And it's posted, and any other managers who come in will see these notes, and they can exchange notes, and it's a really great way to kind of keep track of how effective somebody might have done in an interview. If I like someone, we encourage you to click the like button. And what that does is it moves them out of the main queue. So now you can actually, we'll go ahead and we'll leave Sally in the main queue, and we can always bounce over to view all liked candidates and click go and see James is the only one in there. So it's a good way of categorizing folks. We can bounce back and say view all candidates. So this will show you James and Sally in the same screen. So we've done a good job of really making it easy to bounce between multiple screens. You can also contact James, which will launch your email program of choice. Again, all of this is designed to really surface as much information as possible, make it easy to interact with these candidates, and simple to find the best hire for your next position. So if you have any questions, feel free to email myself or Jared, the other co-founder of We&Co, directly. You see our email addresses here. Find us on Twitter at we_and_co. And we're happy to answer any questions. And thank you so much for paying attention.